Negotiations between the federal government and organized labor on the recently implemented removal of petroleum subsidy resumed on Monday. Both parties reconvened at the conference room of the Chief of Staff for a follow-up on the last session held on June 5th, where some agreements were reached, which resulted in labor suspending its planned strike until further talks scheduled for this Monday. Among agreements reached on June 5th was the establishment of a joint committee to review the proposal for any wage increase or award and establish a framework and timeline for implementation. The federal government, the TUC and the NLC were also to review the World Bank-financed cash transfer scheme and propose inclusion of low-income earners in the program, as well as revive the compressed natural gas conversion program earlier agreed with labor centers in 2021. The National Industrial Court on Monday declared that the order restraining the Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC) and Trade Union Congress (TUC) from embarking on their planned industrial action subsists. Justice Olufunke Anuwe stated that the order as granted on June 5 subsists, pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. The court, in addition, ordered that parties maintain the status quo and adjourn the matter until July the 20th for a hearing. Earlier, when the case was called, the federal government's counsel, Ochumi Manuel, informed the court that the matter was slated for Monday for the claimant to take its motion on notice for an interlocutory injunction to restrain the defendants from embarking on strike. The defendants' counsel, Marshal Abubakar, on his part, however, replied that they had filed an application praying the court to set aside its order granted on June 5, restraining his clients from embarking on strike. He also prayed for a short adjournment to look at the counter affidavit and respond.